हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 फॉर अ नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर x define fx to be the largest integer greater than x. For instance, f of 1.2 is 1. Evaluate the following integral here. Okay, so to evaluate the integral, we first need to understand the function fx. For any non-negative real value x, fx is defined as a largest integer not greater than x. Using the definition, we can find out f of x square is 0 is from values of from 0 to root 5 they have been. Okay, so 0 less than equal to x less than 1, so x square less than 1, f of x square is 0. Then 1 less than equal to x less than 2, x square less than 4, f of x square equal to 1, and 2 less than equal to x less than root 5, so x square 4, x square less than 5, so f of x square is 4. So now we can evaluate the integral by splitting into three parts. Okay, so let's do it in splitting parts. First 0 to 1, f of x square dx, then 1 to 2 square dx, and then 2 to root 5 f of x square and dx. So this will do, so this will be 0, this is 1 to 2 and 1, so this is 2 minus 1, and this is 4 root 5 by this 2. So 1 plus 4 root 5 minus 2 is the answer. In this case, so there's a problem in this thing, they have missed out this plus 1, so this would be the answer.